What's up? Today I guess we're going to do a little comparison of the VRSF 3.5-inch exhaust race versus street. This is the street muffler that comes with the street version. You can buy either one if you whatever you want to do, but we wanted to see what they both sound like, so we're going to throw this one on, get some clips, do some speeding, break some laws.
How much is this?
This was like $270, I think, $270. So you can get both versions for a little over $1,000, which is still cheaper than any of the other competitors. So.
It's gonna try to do it without jacking it up.
Yeah, I'm gonna try. I think I can. There's plenty of room under here. That's not tips come right off. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Move these clamps have to be like facing up because you can totally see it.
I know, yeah, especially the tip ones.
Yeah. Got our trusty 14. We're eating. Full yeet. Yeah, that should work just fine. Ow. That hurts. Hey.
Wow.
Wow. Okay. That one slipped right off. Alright. Mount her out so you should be able to gut. Pop it right off. Nice.
Sick muffler, dude.
Yeah. Move those up nice. So make it a little bit easier.
You're not reaching that. No way. Wow. Slide in the tips.
Now we gotta put just the tips on.
I watched that video last night. When we put the tips on this originally.
Oh really?
That looks good. Blast pipe.
What do you think, guys? Do you think my clout levels
need like another foot?
Yeah.
But it looks a little better because you can see like a muffler, you know, it just looks like a properly tuned sports car.
Yeah. Alright.
I'm gonna max out the mic right here. No. Sounds good. up top. But before, I think it just had rasp all the way through. It was just too loud to hear it.
Yeah.
I don't know. Gotta take it for a ride.
Yeah. Let's go for a ride. It's quieter than.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Wow. It's quiet for sure. I didn't think that little muffler would do that much.
No, it's crazy.
You can hear your wastegates again.
Wow, the wastegates are
Whoa,
so loud.
they're so loud. Probably gonna sound the same in the camera because the wastegates are so fucking loud. Jeez.
Oh my god.
I like that sound like a lot, the wastegate.
It sounds so sick.
Look at that wide body kit. Woo! Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Damn, it's fucking.
Need some wheels on that thing, dude. Oh, third.
I think that was like lunch.
Oh man.
He dropped down 17 pounds. Yikers. It's a warm up.
Yeah, the clutch is definitely warm. First gear. Second gear. Holy shit.
Clutch is hating life right now. Ooh, boy. Spec stage 3. Clapped.
Final thoughts.
in conclusion, I don't know. I'm torn. I like both. That one is obnoxious and it has tons of clout. That one is a nice driving, quiet car that still makes sound. So
yeah,
I don't know. I'm just gonna swap between them every once in a while whenever I feel like it. So, you know, definitely get both if you're thinking about getting the race.
yeah, because that's dailyable as hell.
Yep.
That's a fucking. It's straight pipes. It's fucking.
Yeah, it's a straight pipe. That's what it is.
There you go.
Hope you enjoyed this one. It was a good one. It was fun. The car survived all those pulls except for my clutch. I need a new clutch. I have a new clutch. Just gotta put it in.
And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW. And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW. Microphone attached to my head so I can